భరణి గారు చెప్పినట్టుగా STPI, I will just brief about STPI. We are under Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and IT. So STPI ki we have 60 centers across the country, and Hyderabad lo in Telangana lo we have Hyderabad and Warangal, and AP I take care of AP and Telangana. STPI we have a dual role. We have a statutory obligations, statutory support istamu IT exporting companies ki, because we register as an exporter and they get benefits under the schemes, and we also report, we also certify the exports. So that way we have a statutory role, and also we are a supporting organization, enabler or facilitator for the industry. Work closely with the industry and also local state governments and all. That way, ICIA has been, and we have been partnering and supporting each other since almost 91 nunchi form అయినప్పటి నుంచి. And this type of organizing the IT expo and exports awards and all, we have been doing it across the country in all the states. But particularly it is a collaboration between ICIA and STPI in Hyderabad. So that way it is a long, very fruitful association we have. That is one side of it. And particularly when we are talking about the collaboration, we also have set up a Center of Excellence partnering with ICIA in Hyderabad, and supported by MIT, our own ministry, and state government and all the industry leaders. That way it is a great collaborative effort we have just started, and it's running smoothly, and that is one side of it. And particularly about this awards, we are every year we are celebrating, in fact, the success of the industry, because while we are doing a facilitating role, that is the industry that has really come up and taken the advantage of the state's support and Government of India's policies. That way it has been you all aware that it is a vibrant industry we have here. And with respect to the exports, already it was announced, we have doubled the exports in the last 5 years. That was the goal given by our Honorable Minister KTR Garu 5 years back. It has come to a reality despite odds. So that way I think it is a time to celebrate. So like every year we are doing it here, this 5th of November. This time it is slightly different because of the pandemic situation, but still we are doing it. That is a great thing. I think we should all celebrate. And particularly when we are talking about the export performance, during the lockdown also, it was a commitment from the Government of India and the state, and Bharani was speaking about the support given by all the departments of the state, and we could really continue to perform, and particularly the offshore activities. That was in fact within no time, within a very short time, industry could restart the activities, meeting the commitments of the offshore clients. Within, I think, in 3-4 days, I think they could do it. Most, I think, 99% of the employees were working from home. And even from STPI side also, all the approvals were enabled online, and we also tried to gear up meeting the requirement of the industry. That way, it has been we have shown the capacity of the industry, what is the resilience and what type of the backup and kind of a support we had internally. So pandemic has, though it was a hardship, but at the same time we could show the capacity of the industry. So it has been an opportunity also, so to show the strength of the industry. And with respect to the awards, we have, I think, 7 types of awards. a meeting, for the MNCs as well as the Indian leaders, as well as covering the SMEs also. And I think we have added 2 more categories this time, that is net employment generation, as well as I think women employees also. Yes. That way, I think that's about the awards. So that way, I think like Bharani was telling, our DG also will be there along with the other dignitaries. So and I think this time, I think we, despite the pandemic situation, we were able to do it. That is a good part of it.
Every sector has got impacted. IT lo entante we have a different scenario, because IT both it is a impact as well as opportunity. So because we actually certify the exports, last 2 quarters entante good news is we have already surpassed last 2 quarters. 6 months the last year exports already we are reached. Normally in the second, third and fourth quarter exports will be high. So that way there is a fair chance of indication that we are positive. And definitely it may be a single digit, but definitely will be positive. That's a good news, that we have seen, because we practically we get the reports. Second thing is government of state government as well as government of India. The Director General of Foreign Trade Gani, Commerce Ministry Gani, they have extended the reporting pattern also to the companies. I mean, up to the renewals are all automatically we have extended, instead of going through the physical process, and all the approvals are done online. So that way it has been a very smooth transition that has happened because of the state as well as government of India's proactive support. And I think the rest is, I think the industry is doing their best. That way I think we can see a very positive growth. Definitely the positive growth this year. Thank you.